Hello students, now we shall begin exercise 1.2. In the question number 1, you have to find additive inverse. Let me take the first number, minus 5 by minus 8. Now, what is additive inverse? If the number is positive, its additive inverse will be its negative. If the number is negative, its additive inverse will be, of course, its positive. Now, minus 5 by 8, this minus and minus cancel, is obviously 5 by 8. So it's a positive number, so its additive inverse will be its negative, that is minus 5 by 8. Okay, let me take one more. There's another question, minus 7 by 19, negative number, so its additive inverse will be, of course, additive inverse will be, of course, is positive, that means 7 by 19. Right, very easy. Rest of the questions you can do on your own. Now here something interesting, what will be the additive inverse of 0? Right, so some of you are thinking that is plus 0, so if additive inverse will be minus 0, is a wrong concept. There is no number called minus 0, right? So additive inverse of 0 is 0 only, right? So let me put the summary here. Additive inverse of 0 is 0, not minus 0, because there is no such concept called minus 0. All right, very easy. Next we shall discuss question number 2. Now let us cover question number 2. In question number 2, you have to verify the associative law. The associative law, as you all know, is this: a plus b in bracket plus c is equal to a plus within bracket b plus c. This is called associative law. Of course, let us verify this one. So let's take three numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4. If we do this, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's see the same numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now if we do this, this is again 2 plus 7, again 9, right? So these two sides are equal. This is called associative law. Now coming to the question now, your values of a, b and c are given. So I'm taking the first question. A is 1 by 3, b is 4 by 5 and c is minus 1 by 6. You have to verify the associative law. So a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This you have to verify. So let us take the left hand side first. So left hand side, a is 1 by 3, b is 4 by 5 in bracket, c is minus 1 by 6. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. You will have 5 plus 12 here, minus, this will be minus 1 by 6, 17 by 15 minus 1 by 6. 15 and 6 LCM is 30. You will have 34 minus 5, which is 29 by 30. Okay, so my left hand side is 29 by 30. Now let us evaluate the right hand side. So let me write the value of left hand side here. Left hand side was 29 by 30. So the right hand side now, right hand side was a plus b plus c. So 1 by 3 plus b is 4 by 5 plus c is minus 1 by 6. So now this will become 1 by 3 plus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So 1 by 3, 5 and 6 LCM is again 30. This will be 24 minus 5. This will be 1 by 3 plus 19 by 30. 3 and 30 LCM is of course 30. This will be 10 plus 19. 10 plus 19 is 29 by 30. See, left hand side, right hand side, both are equal. So you can write left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence your rule is very fine. All right, this is how you can solve question number 2. Rest of the questions you can try on your own. Now let's go to question number 3. Alright, now we shall solve question number 3. Question number 3 is very simple. You have to evaluate the given expressions only. Let me take one question for you people. Let's say this one, minus 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 7 plus 8 by 3 plus 6 by 5. Okay, so very first rule is bring the positives together. So 8 by 3 plus 6 by 5, these are positives. Minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 7, these are negatives. Now put the positives together. Here also take the minus common and put the negatives together inside bracket. Now let us simplify this part. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. We'll have 40 plus 18 minus here LCM is 21. You'll have 14 plus 12. Alright, so this will give you 58 by 15 minus 26 by 21. Now 15 and 21 LCM is 105. This calculation obviously you can do. This will give you 406 minus 130, and the final answer will be 276 by 105. You can cancel by 3. This will be 92 and this will be 35. So ultimate answer is 92 by 35. Right, very simple evaluation. Rest of the questions you can attempt. Now let's go to question number 4. Now, question number 4 is similar to question number 3. You have to rearrange and simplify. Let me take a question. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus of 4 by 15 plus minus of 4. Again, the first two terms are positive. I shall put them together like this. Last two terms are negative. I shall put them together like this. 5 and 3 LCM is 15. This simplification will be 9 plus 35. Here LCM is of course 15 because you have a 1 here, and this will give you 4 plus 60. So this will give you 44 by 15 minus 64 by 15. 15 and 15 LCM is of course 15. 44 minus 64, which is minus 20, not plus 20, by 15. Now I can cancel by 5. This will be 4. This will be 3. My ultimate answer is minus 4 by 3. Alright, very simple. I think you can do this. Rest of the questions please attempt. Now let us go to question number 5. Now in question number 5, two terms are given. You have to subtract the first term from the second term. Let me take question number 2 for you people. The two terms are minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So I have to subtract the first term from the second term. So 3 by 5 minus of minus 4 by 5. So this shall give you 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. And of course 5 is the LCM. 7 over here. Final answer is 7 by 5. Alright. Let me pick another one. The two terms are 6 by 7 and minus 8 by 7. So second term minus first term. So minus 8 by 7 minus 6 by 7. LCM is of course 7. Minus 8 minus 6. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14 by 7. And my final answer will be obviously minus 2. Alright. Very easy. Please try rest of the questions. Now let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6 is simple evaluation. Let's take question number 3. It says minus 5 by 8 minus 4 by minus 7. So of course it will be minus 5 by 8 minus plus 4 by 7. So if 8 and 7 LCM is of course 56. This will be minus 35 plus 32, and your final answer will be minus 3 by 56. Simple calculation, isn't it? Let's take one more. Number 4, minus 5 by minus 9 minus 3 by 4. So first thing is this two negatives will be cancelled. So we'll be left with 5 by 9 minus plus 3 by 4. Now 9 and 4, 9 to 4, 36. So 36 LCM You have 20 plus 27. The final answer in this case is 47 by 36. Very easy. You have done in earlier classes. Please attempt the rest of the questions on your own.